everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am back with a Mango haul. I feel like their autumn winter stuff is always amazing and such good quality, so I picked up quite a few bits of like knitwear and coats and stuff. So I'll try all the bits on and tell you guys what I think of them and like the prices, sizes, all of that good stuff, and of course they will be linked down below. But before I get into this video, I just want to say thank you to ShopTagger for sponsoring it again. Some of you guys I know already use ShopTagger and love it, but if you haven't heard of it before, it is a like Google Chrome plugin, and they also have an app which basically alerts you when items go on sale. So super handy when you're shopping on websites like Mango, ASOS, Zara, Topshop. And they're actually running a Black Friday giveaway to win $500. So anyone with a ShopTagger account will be automatically entered, and if you sign up as well, like now, you'll be automatically entered. So I think the giveaway closes on the 24th of November, and then the winner will be emailed on the 25th of November. So it's super easy to enter. All you need to do is make sure you've tagged 2 items on your ShopTagger account in November. So yeah, super easy. And Black Friday is coming up, so I find ShopTagger so handy at like this time of the year. I think I used it so much last year and saved so much money, because kind of before the sales start, I'll go through like all of like Zara, Topshop, Mango, and save all the items I've kind of been eyeing up. So then when the sales do start, you get like notified automatically. You're not having to like scroll through pages and pages of sales on the website and like loads of items are out of stock. And if you've never used ShopTagger before, I'll leave a link to it down below in the description box. So you just download it on Google Chrome as a plugin, or there is an app. And then when you're kind of like shopping online and you find an item you like, you just click your little like ShopTagger button, and then it comes up with a little pop-up, and you can choose like the size, how much you want off it, and also you can save them into like little kind of lists and collections. So I have one for like all my Black Friday stuff at the moment. Yeah, and you just click save, and then when that item does go on sale, you will be notified. And they have recently launched a new feature, which when you go to check out, it will show you if there's any like coupon codes active at that time. So that's also super helpful for like saving money. But yeah, I'll leave a link to ShopTagger down in the description box if you wanted to go and sign up. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first item I picked up is this gorgeous kind of like cream teddy coat. I picked it up in a small, and I think it was about £120, but I'll put it on quickly so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the teddy coat looks like on. Honestly, it's so cozy and warm. I feel like if you haven't got a teddy coat in your closet already, definitely something that's worth investing in. I feel like they look really stylish, but they're also just really warm in the winter. I got this in the size small, however I do feel like I should have gone up a size and got it in a medium, just because I think it would be hard to fit kind of chunky knitwear underneath, and obviously when you're wearing it in the winter, that's what you're going to want to do. It's a really good quality, not itchy at all. On the inside it's like fully lined, and it does have these little like pockets, and then the tortoiseshell buttons. Overall, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I think I might return it and then pick up the medium size. The next thing I picked up are these kind of faux leather joggers. So it has the drawstring, right, I can't say that. It has the drawstring waist. That is the one. I got them in a size small, and price wise I think they were $35.99, so I will put them on quickly and show you guys what they look like. Okay, so these are the joggers on. If I'm being honest, I'm not too sure on them. I've seen so many people on Instagram wearing them, and they all look amazing and style them so good, which is why I wanted to pick them up. But now trying them on me, I'm not really sure if they suit me or if the fit's like right. I feel like they need to come up a little bit more high-waisted. But yeah, overall I do think they're really nice, and there is so many ways you can wear them. You can kind of dress them up with heels and a nice little top, or just wear them with trainers and a t-shirt for super casual days. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, if you think I should keep them or if I should return them. I think I might just try them on with like a few other bits of clothing to kind of see what they would go with and what not, and then decide from there. Next up we have this really cute little dress. Now this isn't normally my style, but I wanted to try something a little bit different. So it's this kind of polka dot shirt dress. Yeah, so it kind of buttons down the middle. It has this little collar. I got it in a size small and it was $35.99. I'm going to try it on now and show you guys what my vision was. I'm not really sure if it's going to come out like I think it is, but hopefully you'll see it in a sec. Okay, so this was my vision. I was going to wear it with over the knee boots and then a little belt kind of in the middle to cinch it in, but I feel like it doesn't really go. Like, I feel like the dress is just a little bit too girly to kind of wear with this outfit. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. I also think the belt is too like Western style. I need another belt, but I can't find any other belts. So this one is going to have to do for now. And ignore the fact this is silver and this is gold. Obviously I would not wear them together, but I just wanted you to see the vision I was thinking. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I feel like I might return this and search for another dress which might kind of fit this style better, because I do really like the over the knee boots with like a little girly dress, but I just think this one might not be the one. But I'll show you what it looks like without the belt, just so you can kind of see the dress on its own, which might actually look better if I'm being honest. Yeah, so it's just this little polka dot dress, has a little like button down shirt style, and then it has this little kind of tie at the back as well, and then 3/4 length sleeves. Next up I have this gorgeous knitwear piece. So it's in this kind of like creamy ivory shade. I got it in an extra small to small and I think it was $35.99. I feel like Mango just do such great knitwear. It's always super soft, because I hate any kind of like knitwear that's itchy. So yeah, I just picked up this kind of like basic cream roll neck jumper. So I will put it on quickly and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the gorgeous knitwear piece on. It has a kind of like high and low effect. So it kind of goes up at the front and then slightly longer at the back, which I really like because it makes it kind of easy. If you want to just tuck in like the front like this, you can. But yeah, it's a super soft knitwear piece, not itchy at all. I really like the roll neck. It's kind of quite like a sturdy neck. Size wise, I think the extra small to small fits really good. I'd probably say get your true size in this or size down if you want it a little bit kind of like smaller, tighter. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and let's move on to the next item. So the other like knitwear loungewear pieces I picked up are these trousers, and then there's a little like matching top, but you can kind of buy them separately, if that makes sense. I've just kind of bought them both and plan on wearing them together. So the trousers just look like this, so they're in that kind of like grey ribbed material again, and they're kind of like a flared out at the end style. I don't know. They have these little like slits in the kind of bottom of the leg, but I just thought these were so like comfy and cozy. And then the top to match, but obviously you can wear them separately as well, is this kind of like a halter neck style, and then just goes down. It has these little like slits at the side. I actually think it's only got one slit. Yeah, it's got one slit at the side and then the tie around the waist. So yeah, I think I got them both in a size small. This was, I think it was $29.99, and then the trousers were $39.99 I think. But I will put them on quickly and show you guys what it all looks like. Okay, so this is what the loungewear set looks like on. So you just have the little top and then the trousers to match. The trousers, I just wish they were a little bit longer on me. I mean, I am tall, I'm 5'9", so if you're like a normal height, these should be fine. But for me, they just come a little bit too high, so I feel like they look a little bit weird. But they are really nice trousers and super comfy. And then the top I think is really cute as well. It has the little like slit up one side and then the little tie, which I think is super flattering just because it adds a little bit of shape up your waist. But yeah, I just wish the trousers were a little bit longer. I feel like that is my only like negative about this set, and I'm just trying to think like, would I wear the top with other things if I didn't have the trousers? You do actually have the cardigan as well. Let me show you this. So again, it's the same colour. Probably wouldn't wear them all at once. I feel like this is a little bit too much, but just so you can kind of see that it's a complete set. And there is actually another top as well, which is like a wrap over top. So yeah, you could get like the whole set if you wanted, but I think I might just keep the cardigan and then maybe the top. Can't decide, let me know. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video and seeing everything I picked up from Mango. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!